This is the St. Johns County Real Estate Auction Report brought to you by Vanta Quality Assets. You can find us at vantallc.com. Investors welcome. Now, let's go to court. And at the auction, we have about 11 properties that were bid on. Actually, 9 properties were bid on. We had 11 properties in total. 2 canceled. But let's look at the properties now. First case, 080665, which is this property here. As you can see, it's a gorgeous place. It's a waterfront, has its own dock. However, the banner was held too high. Nobody bid, went back to the bank. And the next property canceled, and let me just show you the property real quick. It's CA121037. The property is right here, and again, here are the stats. If you want to call it lakefront, it's really not, but because it's just a man-made lake. And here are the stats. Didn't sell, of course, because it canceled. Next property sold for about $500 over what the banner held here. The property is 208 Inlet Drive, St. Augustine, Florida. As you can see, it's right here. It's real nice, and that's what it sold for. Let's go to the next property. There was heavy bidding on this property. CA121556. Notice there was no banner. I put that interesting note in here. No banner was held. Although the plaintiff total was $464,000, I saw for sure, being that the estimate was $1.2 million, I knew for sure it was going to sell. Somebody bid $645,000 at first, and then the bidding went up. It took about 20 minutes, folks. 20 minutes, just about 20 minutes for this property right here in Villano, Cartaba Road. I know exactly where it is. It did sell, by the way. Next property went back to the bank. It's CA121791. Just to show you what the property is, it's right here. CA121791. Here it is, where it says 220, where my mouse is. So that's what we have here. Home with the channel to the Intracoastal, and it's by Treasure. Okay, next property. CA132053. CA132053. It's 209 Carlos Avenue, Polk City, and the property's right here. Of course, it did not sell because the banner was held at $160. What are they thinking? What are these banks thinking? Why? Next one, CA130712. CA130712 did not sell. Here's Fredericks Street, 4710 Frederick Street. Pretty interesting looking property. Lots of trees. Did not sell. Went back to the bank at 100. Next property. Again, none of these properties had banners. Did not sell. CA131236. CA131236. It's right here. This particular property, get a better shot here. It's actually one. This is a triplex. It's one side of a triplex. I wouldn't say it's a great deal at that price either, but it did not sell. Went to the bank. No banner was held up. Plaintiff total was 116. Next case, CA1322 1266. CA1322. Again with the 22. What's it with the 22? Oh, look at that, Paloma, and here basically like sixplex condos, and it's basically a condo here. Here's the stats. Did it sell? No, because it canceled. They didn't even want to go to the auction. Next one, CA131554. CA131554. Here it is. 4012 Pine Run Circle. Has a pool, my friends. It has a pool. Very nice. It looks screened in. And let's look at the stats. Here are the stats, and guess what? No banner, and it did not sell either. And I believe this is the last property. Yes, it is. It's didn't sell. It's CA140121. If you want to look at it, it's right here. CA14021, 11 Tarragona Court, St. Augustine, Florida. And it is basically a condo. It did not sell. Estimates 83. No banner was held. Went back to the bank, and that's all she wrote. And in other news, your housing index seems to be flatlined to going up. Again, it did violate that head and shoulders pattern about 6 months ago. This is a 6-month chart of the housing index. Looks pretty good still. The average 30-year fixed mortgage rates are at 4.18%. This is an average again. Basically sideways for the last week. So no matter what Yellen's been saying, what Yellen's been yelling, she still has not been able to move much as far as market's concerned. Now here is some interesting information from the same source. Be careful what you read, folks. Be careful what you read. Here you have U.S. home price growth slowing down. Oh no, look at that. It shows a downturn in the chart, and then they talk about this. This is from MarketWatch itself. But from MarketWatch itself, you're going to find another story that says, oh, well, look at this. Existing home sale bounce in May. Bounce. Wow. And the highest in 7 months. Oh my goodness. And let's look at another one from the same source, which is MarketWatch. Ooh, new home sales hit highest level in 6 years. Oh my goodness. Wow, things are going great. So what's the deal with this? Just be careful, folks. Be careful what you read. Basically, the situation is still good. We're still not in the red as at times they show.